Birding for Babies by Chloe Goodhart, illustrated by Gareth Lucas. In your own backyard, there are plenty of birds to see. Grab your binoculars and spy one black-capped chickadee. There are two red-bellied woodpeckers, busy drumming, tap, 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 making a hole for home with their sharp beaks and red caps. Do you see those blackbirds, you smart little birder? 3 American crows. That's almost a murder. Here's 4 blue jays with their bright blue jackets. Follow the noise to find them. They make such a racket. See those familiar faces? Cheerful crests and orange bills? Those are 5 northern cardinals, foraging their fill. Who is clinging to the tree trunks with white cheeks and a belly that matches? Count them as they creep on down. 6 white-breasted nuthatches. There's a small flock of birds eating seeds from the feeder. 7 tufted titmice, whistling, beater, beater, beater. Do you see 8 northern mockingbirds looking for some grub? They flash their white wing patches as they dart from shrub to shrub. See 9 American robins with their bright red chests. Some are eating worms, while some are building nests. 10 American goldfinches are perched among the thistles. Per-tee-tee-tee, listen to them whistle. The